onions, whole spices, chili, ginger and garlic paste, tomatoes, and cashew nuts are sautéed in butter. This is then pressure cooked and then pureed, strained, and returned to the pot. Salt, sugar, and fenugreek is added, and the shrimp is cooked in this gravy. Finally, it's finished off with some heavy cream. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot for this recipe. I have this set to saute mode and I'm going to be adding 1 stick of butter. This is half a cup. I'm just going to allow the butter to melt. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of sliced red onions and I'm going to allow the onions to sweat. Add 1 bay leaf, a 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 10 cloves, and 3 cardamoms, and saute this in the butter. Next, I'm going to add 15 dried red Kashmiri chilies. These have been de-seeded and I've removed the stems, and I'm just going to saute these. You can find Kashmiri chilies in most Indian stores. These chilies give you a lovely red color and are not too spicy. For a little bit of spice, I'm going to add 5 green chilies. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Add in half a cup of raw cashews and 2 cups of diced red tomatoes. Next, I'm going to add salt to taste and 1 cup of water. Close the Instant Pot and set this to pressure cook mode for 10 minutes. Once done, open the lid and allow it to cool. And once it's cooled completely, add this to a food processor and puree it until it's smooth. To get a smooth gravy, pour this through a sieve. Solids can be put back into the food processor with a little bit more water and processed again. Once this is all strained, pour this back into the pressure cooker, and I'm now going to put this on saute mode and allow it to heat. Add 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. I'm also going to add a pinch of sugar. Taste for salt and add salt to taste. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to add 1 pound of shrimp that has been cleaned and deveined. Cover this and allow the shrimp to cook. Finally, I'm going to finish off with a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Mix this in and this is ready to enjoy.